2012 through 2016 Honda CR-V cabin air filter replacement. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'm going to walk you through the steps of replacing the filter. The first step is to open up the glove box, and right here on the side there's going to be a little dampening shock. With your thumb you can push it back towards the firewall and that'll pop it off the perch. Then you can squeeze the tab here, and then on the opposite side you'll squeeze the tab here, and then the glove box will swing down. And you may want to pull the content out of the glove box. With everything removed from the glove box, you can swing it all the way down. Now we're going to squeeze the tab here and here to remove the cover for the cabin air filter. So once you get that removed, now you can just pull your old cabin filter out like this. If you look on the air box, it has the arrows and how the airflow flows inside the box. So we want to put the filter back in the same way, so you'll line up the arrows going in the same direction. So once you get it lined up, you'll slide it back into position. Then you'll take the little door and you'll line it up and just push on until you hear it click on the left and right side. Now you can take the glove box door and swing it upwards until it locks into position. Now we're going to put the little shock dampener back on, so you're just going to pull it down and line it up and then push it on with your fingers until it snaps back into place. And that'll complete the job of replacing the cabin air filter. I will link the filter up in the description of the video. That way if you need to pick it up, you can find it there. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos. Encourage you to subscribe. Invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. And I'd like to thank you again for watching.